Viewers, your subscriber, big up on yourself there. Don't know newlink production there. And viewers, tell you know this. You see right now, it's coming on to length right now. Zine, a length time will come now. And the police them are asked and them must say to all of the citizens of Jamaica say, what uno can give for length, give to the police force. You understand? And them are ask what you can give, and them are going to tell you what them want. You hear what the police them want? The police them say, all them want from Jamaicans this is, for every wanted person we know, give them up. Stop hide the wanted person them. Stop keep them as secret and give them up. You understand? That how them say them want. Give them up, because we see a lot of wanted man dead. We see a lot of wanted man capture. We see a lot of wanted man turn themselves in. But there are so much more out there. Zine, and the police are say, please give them up. Zine viewers and subscriber. So, it's a good thing. They must say, it's a good thing. They must ask for. But are the people going to buy it? Are the people going to take it? Or does the people out there, like the normal citizens, them hide them on them for show? It's a thing what me have to really think. I wonder, because me not sure if they're not really the good citizens out there. Because I not the corrupt one. I go hide the criminals and the wanted man and keep them. And no say police come find them in them place. It's big trouble for them. Me no know. But the thing is, where the police them ask for is if the people them can just give them up. And them attack all over. Them attack Mobile, Kingston, St. Catherine, Clarendon, everywhere. St. Elizabeth, Westmoreland, all over. And not just one part them attack. Them say them need all wanted persons for the length period. So, if you know somebody who is wanted, or if you know a friend who know people or have family that is wanted, it better you not give them up. Zine, it's not a time for we to keep certain people around we. You see me? It don't make no sense. It's a time where we need real people around we. A time where we need to build as one, and a time where we need to go against each other. It don't make no sense. See me? No sense it make. So, all I say to them, the viewers them, and the subscriber them, you know something when not right, you stop keep them a secret. And at that, the Jamaica Constabulary Force are asked for. Zine, they are asking for that. Alongside the Jamaica Defense Force, everybody asks for it. But there's a next thing to it too. Me ask, Zine, you know the ear them or the wanted person them. You not go in a certain ear them. Please, you figure in there too. Zine, because the citizens and all of them, because you see the other day in people, the wanted man them, I saw them go find them in a bush. In a bush. And it's like somebody see them in the bush and make the report, and I succumb the nose them in the bush. So, the police them and soldier have to go circle around the place. When I have helicopter with a big light pan it, turn it on. Go in the bush, turn them on. Go certain place, turn them on. See? The citizens them can't help. We know that. But some of them don't know nothing. So them can't help do nothing. We need to do something too. Viewers, subscriber, newlink production there. Big up on yourself. Don't know the thing up.